Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in the world of gadgets and tech. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you: the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. A budget-friendly powerhouse that's going to revolutionize your digital experience. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you never miss our future tech updates. And as always, all the links mentioned in this video can be found in the description below, including the purchasing link for the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Feature 1: Enhanced Performance. The Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet comes equipped with an updated hexa-core processor, making it up to 30% faster than its previous generation counterpart. This enhanced performance means smoother multitasking, seamless app launches, and lightning-fast response times, allowing you to get things done with ease and efficiency. Feature 2: All-day battery life. Worried about running out of power in the middle of the day? Fear not! The Fire HD 8 offers an impressive all-day battery life of up to 13 hours. Whether you're reading, browsing the web, streaming videos, or enjoying your favorite tunes, this tablet has got your back, keeping you entertained throughout your day, both at home and on the go. Feature 3: Limitless Entertainment. The Fire HD 8 opens the doors to a world of entertainment possibilities. Stream or download your favorite shows and movies from popular platforms like Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, and HBO. Plus, you can enjoy endless content from social media apps like Facebook, Hulu, Instagram, TikTok, and more through Amazon's App Store. It's a complete entertainment hub right at your fingertips. Please note that Google Play is not supported, and some apps may require a subscription. Feature 4: Brilliant display and ample storage. The Fire HD 8 features an 8 inches HD display, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details for an immersive viewing experience. With 2 GB of RAM, this tablet ensures smooth performance even during intensive tasks. You can choose between 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage, and if that's not enough, expand it up to a whopping 1 TB using a micro SD card. It's perfect for storing all your photos, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space. Feature 5: Durable and sleek design. Amazon has crafted the new Fire HD 8 with a thinner and lighter design compared to its previous generation, making it ultra-portable and easy to carry around. The screen is protected by strengthened aluminosilicate glass, making it highly durable and resilient to everyday wear and tear. In fact, as measured in tumble tests, the Fire HD 8 is twice as durable as the Apple iPad mini 2021. So, it's designed to withstand the hustle and bustle of your daily life. Feature 6: Stay connected with Alexa. With built-in Alexa functionality, staying connected with family and friends has never been easier. Simply ask Alexa to make video calls to your loved ones or download apps like Zoom for virtual gatherings and meetings. Alexa is your personal assistant that can do much more, from listening to your favorite music, getting the latest news and weather updates, updating your shopping lists, and setting reminders, to controlling your smart home devices. It's like having a helpful companion at your service 24/7. Feature 7: Amazon Kids and Parental Controls. For all the parents out there, Amazon Kids offers easy-to-use parental controls on Fire tablets, allowing you to manage your child's screen time, access to content, and age-appropriate settings. Additionally, by subscribing to Amazon Kids Plus, your little ones get access to thousands of books, popular apps and games, videos, songs, Audible books, and much more, all carefully curated to ensure a safe and enriching digital environment. And there you have it, folks. The Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet, the ultimate budget-friendly tech of 2023. Designed to unleash your digital world. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional on the go, or a parent looking for a versatile and safe device for your kids, this tablet has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible gadget. You can find the purchasing link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to the Gadget Corner for more exciting tech content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.